No wonder the Avengers didn't take you.
It's always the same, in any orchard.
Imagine where you will be.
You want my 90 million, you should know.
Let me tell you something you already know.
Do you know what these famous dialogues mean? By the end of this video, you will learn 10 powerful English words that native speakers speak, and you will never forget them. So let's begin now. Textbook actually give you words you may forget in some time, right? But when you come across a movie scene, when something you visualize, जब आप कोई चीज़ देखते हैं, देख कर सीखी हुई चीज़ बहुत याद रहती है, because your brain catches it like a magnet. So let's begin some powerful words which you need from these movie clips. So the first word is resilient.
What is the most resilient parasite? Bacteria? A virus?
Resilient means one who is not affected by other things, or one who is adamant on his promises or on his work. ठीक है, अपने actions पर. Like Virat Kohli is a resilient cricketer. That can be the use. Subconscious. Subconscious means just at the back of your mind.
For someone like you to steal?
So Saito, we can train your subconscious to defend itself from even the most skilled extractor.
Just at the back of your mind. When I went to the market, purchasing the utensils was in my subconscious mind. This can be the use, right? Deplorable. Deplorable means which is not good, which is morally reprehensible, which is morally not correct, is deplorable.
Why are you doing this?
Are you asking because you don't know what you've done to deserve this? Or because you have committed so many deplorable?
So you can say the behavior of the man at the shop was deplorable, right? Despicable. Despicable refers to the very, very bad, it is almost similar to the word deplorable. Despicable is also morally reprehensible, morally not correct, which is not acceptable, a very bad behavior you can say. So the use
Evil acts over the course of your despicable life that you can't figure out which ghost has come back to haunt you.
of it can be that one of the shopkeepers showed a despicable behavior towards the customer, right? Or the manager was despicable in his attitude towards his employees in the meeting. This can be the use. Next one, come on. You can learn more and more with the help of these movie clips, isn't it? When you learn them with your favorite movies like the Interstellar or Spider-Man, it can be Iron Man or any other. So remember them. So the next word is swayed. Swayed means affected by. Swayed means affected by. किसी चीज से प्रभावित होना. So I
Put juniors in these board seats because of the scale of our operation. Downside is a younger man might get swayed by a founder. I won't. No puppet strings attached.
I was swayed by my friend's car. I was swayed by my friend's promises. Right? Next, pruning. Pruning means making it fine, step by step. Tarashna, or making it better every time, is pruning. So,
And before you know it, the apples start to rot. And that, Harry, my son, is pruning time.
teacher always prunes a child, right? One important tip I would like to give you in between is that whenever you are using words and somewhere you have to use it in a sentence, you don't need to use them exactly in the same form. You can change the form as and when you like. Uska matlab wahi nikalna chahiye. Form can be changed, right? Next is jabbering. Jabbering refers to continuously talking all the time.
I have never met a sadder, more attention-starved, jabbering little prick in my entire life.
Those who are talking all the time are jabbering. The people who don't have anything to do jabber a lot. Right? Egregious, as the lady remarked. It was an egregious remark. Egregious remark means something which pinches me, something which I feel very bad about.
Sir, I'm an esteemed member of this bar, yet what I face is egregious discrimination of all sorts.
Egregious.
Yes.
किसी के द्वारा कही हुई बात जो मुझे बहुत चुभ जाती है. His egregious remark, as the lady said, we would have definitely understood. And the last word is moron. Moron means a stupid, an idiot, an imbecile person.
Anyone. I mean, you are a ridiculous, immature, half-wit moron.
So, do you want to be a moron or an intelligent person or a good native speaker, just like I am speaking? So, if you want to be a more English speaker, just like me, keep following for more.